Hello and welcome back to Marie's Math program. Today's topic is how to find the areas in math. So imagine that we have a rectangle with sides of 2 meters and 10 meters. Well, if we want to find out how many cubes can fit in it, we have to find the area, which is the space inside the shape. To find the area, all you have to do is multiply the two sides together. For example, 2 times 10 equals 20 meters square. That's how you find the area. The reason we put a 2 is there because it stands for square, which shows that we were finding the area, not the perimeter. Let's try an example. In this example, we have the length 4 meters and the width 3 meters in our rectangle. To find our area, we multiply 3 times 4. Our answer is 12 meters square. The area is quite easy to find. It's very different from the perimeter, which is addition. In an area, it's multiplication. As you can see, there's a pretty large difference. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you next time.